Hello students, CBSE Class 10 results are out and some of you are not satisfied with your marks and may be thinking to apply for photocopy or revaluation. Then there is a new CBSE update you must understand before applying. So now let's see in detail. So this is the official circular released by CBSE on 15th April, press release declaration of result of class 10 2026. Now if you scroll down here, there is a latest update regarding revaluation and photocopy of answer sheet. So we need to go on this page. Now here heading is verification, photocopy and revaluation. So according to this circular, if any student are not satisfied with their performance, they can avail the following facility. First facility, they can obtain the photocopy or scanned copy of their answer book. Second, they can apply for verification of marks. Third, they can apply for revaluation, or they can apply for both verification as well as revaluation. But the main twist is this facility will be available only online and it will be available only after second board examination. That means now you cannot apply for verification or photocopy or revaluation. You can apply for this only after second board examination. So you have two options. First, either you go and write second board exam, or second, don't write. Wait for the second board exam to get over. After that, you directly apply for photocopy and revaluation. But what I will suggest you better opt for second board examination, and let's see if your marks improve and you are satisfied with that. So no need to worry. But even if you are not satisfied in the second board exam also, then you can apply for photocopy, verification as well as revaluation of your answer sheet. Now let us understand what is verification of marks, revaluation of marks and photocopy of answer sheet. So first step is photocopy of answer sheet. It is important because you can see how your paper was checked, identify mistake in marking, decide whether revaluation is needed or not. This is the scanned copy of your actual answer sheet. Next, step 2 is verification of marks. In verification of marks, CBSE will only check whether all answers are evaluated or not, whether marks are calculated correctly, any totaling mistake. Remember, they do not recheck your answers in detail. And step 3 is revaluation. This is the final step. In revaluation, your answers are checked again, marking mistakes are corrected, but remember, marks can increase or decrease. So apply only when you are confident. And as already mentioned, when you can apply for that, all this process will start only after second board exam are complete. So do not panic immediately after result. So students, that's all for today's video. Take a smart decision, not emotional one. If you found this video helpful, like the video, hype the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for all CBSE update. And comment below if you have any doubt. I will definitely help.